Just bear with me for a moment. I've got to get something. Right, another drink ready for later. Right, so I've got some stuff off Amazon which I'm going to unbox. I bought some hooks the other day. Can't remember what I've done with them again. Those little plastic wall hooks. I put one on the wall and I stuck my soldering iron on there, and would you believe the hook fell off? So in Lidl's, where's my magnifying glass I just had? I just had a fucking magnifying glass and I can't find it again already. Oh, there it is. I think this was one. Now I'll show you what I did get off of Lidl's. Parts assortment. I've got this from Lidl's. Now I can actually use proper hooks on there. That was under £4. So if anyone wants any of these, go to Lidl's, and they're around about £4 a buy. I think. Assortment, parts assortment, £3.49. Now I did get some stuff through Amazon this morning. I did open it, but I've not looked on it properly. So I'll show you. And these ain't really electronics, but they will be used towards electronics. Like if I'm building something and I need to drill a hole or cut something inside a project box, then I'll be using it. This is just a stand. Because I needed something if I'm working later in the daytime and it gets dim. I'm going to be very kind of like stuck in trying to see what I'm soldering. But I've only bought it for this little tripod, so I can get off. Either put one of these on and have a light shining down, or I could use one of these. I've got two of these, but the thing is, I would like to use this one, but you can't actually put the camera facing down. But I could put that on here and then just tighten it up and have a bigger light instead of a smaller light. So I did have some of these, but the tops have been broken off, which annoyed me. So that's the reason why I bought one of these tripods. It does come with one of these crappy things for your mobile phone, I think. I don't know. The other thing I've got was some guitar picks. Now, in my toolbox, in here, which I've had for quite a long time, they do have guitar picks in there, but I think these ones are slightly thinner. They look thinner, so yeah, I bought these, and I'll tell you how much these were. I just need to come off that screen because I was looking at mobile phones just now. Right, so that tripod was £4.95. Guitar picks was £3.19. And then here is one of these. Now I have one of these somewhere, where I do not know. But when I'm cutting into project boxes and stuff like that, I'm always using a ruler, like a normal pencil type ruler, and my cutting is always been kind of like out of shape, so that's why I got one of those. And it does come with a battery, electronic digital caliper. Now that was £4.99. Right, in this box, got 2 items. Right, in this box we got a nice little saw cutter. Now I have got another saw, which I'm not going to get because all those screwdrivers will fall down and remove it, but I did buy another saw, which you'll get to see. Go back to YouTube so you can see what I'm doing. So yeah, that's a caliper. There's a little saw thing there. Now on my table just beside me, I do have one of these hacksaws, but I couldn't remember what I'd done with the blades. Now when I was looking on Amazon last night, the blades was around about £5-6. Now I decided to buy another one of these because you get 10 blades with this, and 10 blades by themselves is like around about £5-6. But with the saw and the blades, this was only £4.65. So that can go up there with my other saw. So that's 2 out of the way. And I think that's it, isn't it? Let me just check. So we got the tripod, the hacksaw, the micro hand saws, a caliper, and the guitar picks. So yeah, that's all what we got today. Got a little knife there. I don't know. I think that come with this. No little blade. I've got plenty of those. I do have a one of these ones. Got two knives in there. Well, 3 actually. With plenty of blades. But it ain't got no saw bits, so that's why I decided to get the saw, particular one, because then that's going to be helpful to cut into the boxes a bit better. I was going to get myself an electric one, a bit like this one, because I do sometimes use these like little blades, and they do work quite well, but sometimes these are very out of shape, kind of bent, and they don't cut into the circuit board, not the circuit board, the project box properly. I do have some more blades up there on one of those like containers, So I'm okay with that. This is USB chargeable as well. So I was going to get another one of those because I wanted it so it would. You get one of those with like the what was those bloody blades gone again? So I've already gone lost a fucking blades for the saw blades. For these, I was hoping I can get like electronic one where the saw go back and forth like that. But I did see one, but they was asking like £40 for it, and I wasn't going to pay that for it. No fucking chance. So my left hand's kind of numb most of the time, but my right hand's okay. So I can, just saw with my right hand. But I need to find somewhere to put those, so I won't lose those. Guitar picks, hacksaws can go in one of these drawers down here. Now I was hoping to do some stuff today, but I'm not going to because I've just been on the phone to EE for an hour. I've got a new phone coming tomorrow, which is a Samsung Galaxy S26. It's not the Ultra. That would have cost me £75 per month. But I got the Samsung Galaxy S26 basic one, which is going to cost me £43 a month. Now the good thing was they wanted £260 up front costs on that, but the guy was able to knock that off straight away, so I don't have to pay up front costs. But I did have to pay £10 for the delivery for tomorrow. Don't know why my hair's all like this. I washed it yesterday, Sunday, and it's all kind of like weird. Need to go and get an haircut, but I can't do that tomorrow because I've got to wait in for my medication. So I went to the chemist today and my medication wasn't done. So they said, well, we can send it to you. We get a delivery driver and deliver it to you. I said, well, yeah, because I've only got a couple of days left on my medication. So I think it'd be best you get it sent round. Now this, where can I put this? I'll put it in there for now. Now, as you probably want to know, I did used to build you remember I used to build these sensors, and this ain't working, but I have got a working one down here somewhere. So tomorrow I'm going to fix this. Now I did buy some more of these boxes. They came through the other day. I've only got one of those reverse cart sensors left, but I did order some on eBay. Let me see, it's a complete box one. And I was surprised that I was able to get 4 more of these for £16.50, I think. So these, I will be building some more of these, and I'll probably try and do a video on how to build it. I don't really need another 5, but I bought them because sometimes they do pack up, like that one's packed up for some reason. And if you can't fix it, it's just going to be cheaper to buy a new kit. So I bought another 4 of those kits, which will be here later in the week. The only other thing that I've got coming is from Temu. That could be here this week, it could be here next week. It says 2 to 7 days. Let me see, Temu. I had a hell of a problem trying to find out where I actually ordered stuff yesterday. I thought I got it all from AliExpress. I was trying all different accounts that I've got. I tried about 8 accounts, and every one that did work on Amazon Express showed that I had no orders. So then I thought, oh, where did I order this shit then? And yeah, it was actually from Temu. I think it's under my Southwest Ghost account actually. Thanks. Orders. Yeah, so because I'm not screen sharing, I've got some more circuit boards like coming through because I do need some more when I'm just going to sit there around and muck about and just try to build something off, kind of at my own brain. I've got some temperature gauges coming through and a battery gauges, so it shows you what power you got on your battery. The temperature is in red and blue, I think, text. Got some double 2-slot 3-volt battery holders coming. I've got some standard 1x 3.6 volt battery connectors, and then I bought these black plastic airtight storage jars because I'm going to see if I can use them to build another DC box similar to this one. As you probably well know, I've built these ones and I've built these ones. I've been trying to find the round boxes that people have been building their REM pods, and I've not been able to find any at all until I found some on Temu. The only problem is I don't know where I'm going to put the battery. So I might have to look in getting some different 9-volt battery connectors because I've been using these ones. But if I cut a hole in a circle in that tubular thing, it ain't going to work. It's just going to be kind of like a great big hole sitting there. So I need to find something that I can use so I can like put a hole in the round circular tubing. And then put a 9-volt battery connector in it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, is checking for 9-volt battery connectors. I know there's like some of those ones you can put into the square box and you can like drill a hole in at the side of it. But I'll need to find something where you can put the battery up underneath, because the containers I've got are flat tops and bottoms. So if I drill a hole underneath, I need it so it's covering the 9-volt. Because it probably has to be like super glued in or hot glued in. But I need to do it so that there's no big holes underneath and it's not under kind of lapping and like it's not leaning on the battery. So I've got to try to find some 9-volt battery battery, so I wouldn't know if it'd be connectors or holders or whatever. So the only thing I could put, actually, hang on. That might work. That probably would work. I think. I'll have to look at these. See, that would go in a sideways. That one. See, them ones are 125 each. I'll bookmark that and go back to that. I think that one, I know you can't see the camera, but I would probably buy some of those ones. See, that one wouldn't be any good, that one, but that one and that one probably would be. But then there would be a little bit of an overlay. That's the only problem. But anyway, I won't bore you. I'm going to go and check out these 9-volt battery connector things. And I'll catch you. It won't be tomorrow because I've got deliveries turning up tomorrow. I've got my medication tomorrow. I've got my new phone coming tomorrow. So it'll probably be Thursday. We might be looking into getting this fixed. I do have the new screens up there somewhere. And, I think I might put that round the wrong way round. I don't know. This one still might work. So I've got to take it all apart. And then, because it's got a new battery in there now, but it doesn't turn on. So I don't know what's causing it. And I know it ain't the battery because it's a brand new battery. But they could be shitty batteries. I think they are shitty batteries. So I'll check that off. Check them a bit later. Right, so keep an eye out on the old stream, guys. And give us a like, share, subscribe if you ain't already done so. So we'll be doing more content on this channel within the next few days, few weeks. Be building stuff, letting you watch how I build it. And catch you later.